Hi, I'm Karen Chapman. Let me tell you how to get the best of the flowering plants in your container garden. Many plants don't need deadheading at all. Things like this little pink million bells, or this bidens which has lots and lots of flowers, or even this kufia, sometimes called a cigar plant. They naturally shed their spent flowers all on their own. However, for plants like lantana, they have an unusual pineapple seed head. It's really strange. We need to cut that off to encourage more buds to open. Likewise, flowers such as dahlias, we take down to the next set of leaves, we snip that stem off there to encourage more buds to open and to extend the season of interest of our container gardening. If you'd like more tips like this, do join me on Container Gardening to Suit Your Style.